Hi, this is Mark from Lockspedia. So today I have Brinks padlock. It's a 4-digit padlock. Its product number is, if I'm not wrong, 171 30051. It's made of brass, and in today's video, what we are going to see is how to reset this Brinks 4-digit padlock. Okay, so currently the combination which I've set up on this padlock is 2 on the first dial, 000, right? So let me just so this is the reference line, the blue reference line along which all the dials have to be aligned. So now I've set it to 2000. So now this padlock will open. Now if I have to change or reset the combination, what I have to do is I have to just open the shackle and rotate it 180 degree. Now this is the position it has to be in. Now what I need to do is I just need to press it down and hold it. Now I can set any combination which I want. So let me just keep it, say 1 1 2 3 and 4. So ensure that all these numbers are aligned with the reference line which is there on the lock face, right? Now I just release the shackle and I twist it 180 degree wise, and then it's done. Now my lock is reset. Now let's just test the reset. Let me just lock it, right? And now let me just change the combination. Now the lock is locked. Now to open, let me just put in the combination which is 1. So the earlier combination was 2 triple times O, right? So let me just put that first to tell you this is O, and we again go back to 0, and we again go back to 0. This was the original combination which we had. Now the padlock will not open, right? So let's just now change it to the new combination which is 1 2, here comes 3, and here comes 4, right? Let's just see if the lock opens with this new combination. It's a very easy process to reset Brinks 4-digit combination lock, and I'm sure since I've been using it as a second preferred gym lock, I'm sure 3-digit combination lock of Brinks can also be set accordingly. Thank you so much for watching the video.